piston? Let me murder you.
Yeah, that's right. I am back. I am back. I don't give up that easy. I'm not giving up on this boss fight. Alright? It's happening. What I'm gonna do after this boss fight, I don't fucking know. I know... All I know is that I wanted him dead. I want him dead. I want his family dead. I want his children dead. I want him fucked up and knocked out. Alright? That's what's happening here. You cannot stop me. I should probably I don't even know who to re-alert at this point. That's the hard part. Copy that. Potion. Yo! Malik, what's up? Yeah, CrossCode is a good game. You missed the stream earlier today. I did a super early stream because my life just kind of got turned around. But I'm on the next dungeon. I'll explain more once the stream truly gets started. But You're catching like the finale of that event. Alright. Alright, let me just check a few things and I'll be started.
I smell oil.
You know what? Calm down, Sonic. There's no oil for you, okay? Alright, I don't think I'm gonna stall too much longer. I just probably go through the chat box real quick. Properties. There we go. How's everybody doing? What's up? Welcome back to the Thug Senpai stream. I know for some of you who missed it, it's been a minute since I did CrossCode, but I've been cross-coding for a little bit here and there. I'm going to try and have all the videos uploaded to YouTube so that way y'all can catch up if you want on what's been happening. But long story short, where do we leave off on this? Boop. Here we go. I literally saved earlier. I had to go take someone to their job, and now I'm back to finish the fight. This is the water dungeon where we picked up the lightning powers, and so we're on this particular boss fight, which we made several attempts earlier to beat. It did not go well for me. I like panic under pressure, and I've had to redo this fight several times. Right now I'm just always a good chance to try and build my meter. But yeah, it's been a good Saturday. I started streaming around 4 p.m. Eastern time. Had to stop around 9:15, so it's like almost a 5-hour stream. Okay, yeah, hold up. Dodge. And he dodges it. Alright. That's fair. That's on me. I'm just not thinking clearly. I'm not thinking clearly at all. Why don't we eat a... Let's eat this. Fuck. Ow. Did you not, sir? There we go. I gotta remember, I don't have to fucking shoot the thing to work it. Oh, that works. Okay. Explode. There's gotta be a better way to deal with this boss. Because he does these bounce attacks, and I've been dodging them? Dodging is a very generous word for what's been going on here. And put it on there. Hold up. Whoop! Snooze that. Ad tried to play, and I'm like, I just started. I'm not gonna have y'all get hit by ads. Not after starting. Holy shit! I cannot think today. I cannot think today. I'm probably gonna die. Yep. All right. Hold up. It's been a second. I gotta reassituate myself. Ah. Okay. All right. We can do this. Whew. Turn off lightning mode. That's just more XP. Really, we have more max HP on the fire mode than we do the ice. Interesting. Really? Only about the same defense? Hot damn. Huh. Yo, Jason, yeah, we're back. We're back. I'm back at it like a crack addict. I want this boss murdered. I want him killed. I want him fucked up. After that, I'll decide what I'm doing from there. Hey, come on. Don't be weird now. Come on, game. Told you, drugs. I'm addicted to beating this boss is what I'm doing right now. What can I? Okay, nope, he just doesn't care. Ooh, okay, come on out. And that hits. And that breaks him. There we go. You're gonna do your thing. And now we can eat our food that helps us our defense. Fruit pie. There we go. We got this. That's wrong thing. Okay. And with that. Ah, yeah. That I used to be better at this. Earlier today I was doing a lot better at dodging and getting to phase 3 a lot faster, but I cannot do it right now. Having to spend all that time driving just kind of fucked me up. And now here I am just desperately trying to get my shit together. Let's eat that mega sandwich. Okay. There we go. And then that hits that. And then we can hit this here. We had co-host China on here earlier. She says she'd try and be back for this one. Get good and not take damage. You know, I'll keep that in mind. Ugh. And whoop. That. That, then you hit that there, and you're gonna try and hit that. Right, you're gonna swing 3 times. Why would I? Ooh! Okay. Ooh, hit with that, dodge 2, 3. Gotcha. Okay, you're gonna break. And then... No! Okay, hold up. Oh, what? Oh, okay, hold up. Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Okay, I took too long. Whoa! I took too long. Fuck. But wrong button. I co-host, but 1, I was invited. 2, I'm pretty lame, kind of meme lording your streams. I appreciate it, Jason. No, I'm trying to keep the amount of co-hosts I have on stream to a minimum. So, just the 2 I have now are what's going on. Just keep things simplified. Ugh, come on, brain. Don't fail me now. I will admit, it's a bit late. and my brain hasn't fully recovered from mush brain earlier. Driving in the cold fucking sucks. But my car's gonna have the least amount of snow on it in the morning, so that's gonna be fucking sick. Not that I have anywhere to really go in the morning. Ads are gonna start coming up soon, but hopefully this boss fight won't be anything too interesting, so you're not gonna miss anything good. If you were here for earlier stream, you've seen me attempt this like a bazillion times. If you weren't, just trust me. It's a good fight, but you're good. Oop. Alright. That. Dodge that. Okay. And then deal with that. Hit him with the gritty. Just fuck these guys up. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that. And then we'll take this. Eat our fruit pie, because that will make us feel better. And then with this, dodge that, and with the whoop. Ooh, okay, and then run inward. Come on, hit with the gritty. Come on, here. Alright. Okay, there we go. And that. Okay, cool. That got them fucked up that way. And he's gonna hit part 3. Okay. And now that we recovered elemental stuff. Oh, I call bullshit that you get to land that. Okay, I gotta dodge the next one. Oop. And then oop. And then third one. And now I can fucking eat my big chunky... Come on, where is it? Come on, give me my mega sandwich. There we go. And there we go. We can do this. This is just basic, simple third fight stuff. Hold up. I just realized something. Important. If any of my co-hosts wants to rejoin, I have to be sharing my screen. Boop. There we go. But yeah, it's a late Saturday night, Sunday morning, and this fucking boss fight. Whoa, 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 controller. Controller, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, that's bullshit! God, controller disconnected. Controller disconnected. You know, I got pizza in my eye. It fucked me up. You gotta trust me on this. Okay. All right, let's get the peppermint tea. Okay. Get that. Go here. Dodge the gritty. Okay, and then... Alright, cool. Got him! Alright, cool. Holy shit, I've never gotten to this space. Alright, now we're in this... Alright. What's going on here? Oh, no, okay. And then dodge it. Come on, we can do this. Okay, we can. And he's jolted. Okay, I need health, I need health, I need health, I need health. I can do this. We are right here. We are right here. Fucking okay. Wasn't glamorous, it wasn't super cool, but it's fucking dead, and we got it. Alright, it's dead. There's slime everywhere. Fucking let's go. Let's go. Woo! Now we're back up to the top. Oh, look! It's Leah
Now
who
what's
wants.
wrong?
Shut up! Listen, she's. God damn it! Sonic, you don't have to be on the defensive. They're just teasing us for losing the race. Well, like you made us wait, Shetty. Well, it was close, so we didn't wait that long. Hush! Let me have this moment. I actually came in second this time, and Trani was first. Oh. Well, I suppose water is sort of my element? You didn't even waste any second complaining about water pressure. Well then, let's head to the space bird, d'accord? I just realized, does she have like a tail? Or is it just like a strand of hair that goes all the way down her shirt? Water rises up to the sky, falls upon the earth, blows into the sea. An everlasting circle painting this world in vivid colors of abundant flora. Yet under the pressure of deep waters, you stayed persistent. With lightning-fast conduction, you pulled your way through fluid obstacles. You, the traveler, the envoy of change. You have proven yourselves worthy. Take this shade, one of a pair, to reach the grand tree. Hey, let's go. As your drop shade obtained. Let your every step form the path of your growth. Alright, whatever lore bits. Oh, congratulations, Seeker. You were collected the Azure Drop Shade and one of the 2 shades required to enter the Grand Crystal Cave. Take this reward for your accomplishments. Circuit Override. Good luck and stay vigilant. Oh. And done. 1 dungeon completed, 2 to go. Well then, let's go. Honestly, don't feel like staying here too long. Yeah, the constant rain isn't all that comfortable, is it? Let's get some lore bits. So originally it was supposed to be like an Obama impression, but like JFK just keeps sneaking up in there. Alright, Obama wants to come out of my mouth, but JFK just keeps taking his place, and they kind of just squeeze together, and I don't really know how to stop that from happening. There's nothing I can do. So his voice will be adjusted here eventually. As Goni created oceans and lakes and rivers spreading across the land, he was happy to see that plants flourished close to the water. However, he was constantly busy refilling the lakes on the land as the water kept flowing down the hills back into the ocean. And Gani had an idea. He took the water from the oceans and moved it into clouds, floating high in the sky. Then he asked Quinn, his twin sister and creator of wind and thunder, to move the clouds back to the land. Once the clouds would reach the lakes, Goni would let them rain down, refilling the lakes and making the water flow in circles. Quinn, however, thought this flow was boring, so she instead decided to move the clouds all over the place and let them rain right over the land. At first, Goni was furious watching the water being spread in this chaotic manner. However, he quickly noticed how rich plant life started to appear on every corner of the land, far beyond the edges of his lakes and rivers. As he saw the planet covered in trees and flowers, he quickly accepted the chaotic nature of rain falling wherever it pleased. pleases. I really kind of like the lore thing they got going on. Very good, creation myths. Good shit. When Darrow and Dorbis witnessed the advancements of our kind, they decided to send the message to the sky wrapped in an envelope of solid rock and ice. However, Darrow was concerned. This envelope was massive inside, and it could lead to great disaster if it landed in the wrong spot. Fortunately, Goni, being quiet and observative, detected the signal from our kind and determined the exact position where we expected the message to arrive. He told the other gods, and together they aimed the envelope in the right direction so that our kind could receive it properly. It all started when Diorbis, the ethereal god of creation, was born into the emptiness of the void. After pondering for eons in solitude, his desire for company gave birth to the gods of shape. Goni is one of these gods. Born a twin to Quinn, he is a god of hexagon and creator of ever-flowing waters. Okay, hexagons are water. That's gonna take some getting used to. Yeah, I wanted to make sure that's what I heard. No, I feel you. No, I'm not trying to be defensive. I'm just playing it up. I'm like, yo, you'll have to bear with me on that. Goni is the creator of ever-flowing waters. He blessed our planet with vast oceans, strong currents, calm lakes, and long rivers stretching over every corner of this land. His creations also gave birth to an endless variety of plants, painting our lands in beautiful colors. Okay, sick. Cool. Chill dude. Loves like water cycles and plants. Very orderly kind of guy. I can get that. Maybe Mana was referring to earlier in the bottom right corner. Some kind of Easter egg? Maybe I can go like this? I don't know. We can figure this out. Listen. This can be done. Okay, no, it can't be done. I was determined. I was gonna figure it out. There's supposed to be an Easter egg around here somewhere. Maybe not exactly on this part, but somewhere in one of these dungeons, it's here. And it's waiting for us. But CrossCode's been a good game so far. Oh, hold up. Poyo. The rain falls. Dripping, flowing, cleansing body and soul. Okay, so what if I hit you with some lightning? Okay, nope. I can't affect you in any way. Cool. Repeat after me. For dinner, I want a party platter! Fucking love Clone High. Great show. For dinner. For dinner. Throw some ers and rs in there. You know, really shake things up. It's a shame we never got an official season 2. Yeah, oh, they are supposed to be reviving it? Yo, that would be sick. I hear rumors, but like I try not to think about them too much until they come to pass. Otherwise, you're waiting forever, like the movie to Venture Brothers, the Venture Brothers movie, which I keep hearing is going to be a thing. It's going to happen, but like, you know, no news at all, and it just I'm better off not even thinking about it. But still, like hearing that they might bring back Clone High, I'm curious. I don't know if it could work after so long though, because you know, not just people change, but writing techniques change and different authors and envisions and stuff like that. I will give it an honest shot, but it's going to be vastly different. I don't know how I'm always a little worried about the gamble, you know? Anyway, well, here we are again. So, should we start another dungeon now? Well, it is a bit late, isn't it? I'm afraid I have to log out soon. Oui, same for me. I don't think another dungeon fits in. Oh, you know what? Before we log off, we should drop by the headquarters and say hello to Lynn and the others. Just let them know that Leah is back and ready for action. Oh, that's a good idea. D'accord. Let's not wait too long then. I'm not sure how much longer they'll be online. Yeah, we can do that. Get a little bit more story in here. Before I switch games. Especially since I've only been streaming for like 30-ish minutes, and I'm sure 15 minutes of it was just me getting back to square, one. It's amazing how much better you do in a boss fight when you've had like 3 seconds to think. Temple Mine, no. Hydra Temple, no. Fairy Temple, no. Merchant Village, no. Trail? I think it was Trail. And from Trail, you headed to, not the Hermit's house, but no. It's Autumn's Rise. And then from there, you go to Residences? I think it's Residences. Yeah. Let's go. Yo, Reaper, what's up? Yo, bo. Yo, bo. Sounds like Pirate Bo to me. Yo, bo. I'm just a babbling nonsense right now. Anyway, back to the headquarters. You didn't miss much. I kicked that boss's ass that I fucking couldn't do earlier. No one's here? They're probably upstairs. Okay. Hey, yo, everyone's vibing. Bonjour, everyone! Look who's back again! Oh, yo. Leah, dear! It's good to see you again after all this time. Our little runaway has returned. Hi. Welcome back. We've been very worried about you. It has been so long. Sorry. Dear, what exactly happened to you back then? Well, we couldn't really figure out the details. But it's clear that none of it was Leah's intention. Why, of course not. There was never any doubt about that. Well, there really wasn't. I was just stubborn. I'm sorry, Leah. It's alright, Emily. We've been all rather bummed about the raid. But I'm sure that another opportunity will come up soon enough. So that's all well and great, but one major question remains. What about the hugging of Lucas? I'm sorry. Whoa, I'm joking, just joking. Why make a big deal out of it? Maybe she just likes to hug people. It really did come out of nowhere, though. Man, I wish I could have seen that. I'd rather like to know how this whole situation was even possible to begin with. Leah being online with no way to contact her. Especially over such a long time. Yeah, Ragnar, I'm sorry. The boss fight, I pretty much was at the end of it last time you saw. There was one more tiny phase after that where the ball was super small and the starfish just kind of jumps around at you. But I pretty much had it. When I was driving today, I had the realization that I can just melee the lightning ball off the little orb, that makes the balls vulnerable, instead of having to shoot it, and that made the job just so much easier. Like, it still took me a couple of tries, but my brain was super mush during last stream. Yeah, it is really strange. You know what? I should talk to Ivan about this. Please, that's not how this works. Ragnar, you weren't even here for fucking 2 minutes. And you're making me drink some fucking water. Are you kidding me? I gotta go fucking get some fresh ass water because the water I got here done got warm. I got some ice, some fucking shit. I can't believe this. I just wanna have a stream and go dirty. I piss so much because of you guys. I'm gonna just spend up the whole night fucking taking a piss because I'm gonna make them seem hydrated. 3 glasses of water. Just fuck it. Mm. Ugh, water. You know what's better than the soda run? Say the word, boss. I'll silence the non-believers. No, there'll be none of that. Water is fine. I'll just be hydrated. It's fine. I need at least a 10-minute intro or something. I was super busy on my own puzzle. Yeah, I've been, jumping around like, what's the word where you have something tossing around ideas in my head about what I was gonna do for an intro, because this stream definitely could use it. But oh, excuse me.
Smooth move, knucklehead.
Listen, Sonic, I'm a little gassy. Don't have to judge me on every action I do. I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna do it. But anyway.
Hey, man.
Why would he care about individual user issues like this? All games have them. It's not relevant for the bigger picture. Yeah. As long as profits are flowing, the big shot shareholder is happy. Just for the record, that's why I never introduced you to him. Well, sorry, but I have to log out now. I'll be back tomorrow, so we can continue our dungeon race then. Oui, same for me. See you again tomorrow. Bye. A shareholder named Ivan. Bye. Who is he talking about? Sorry? Huh? Bye. Oh, yes, of course. Until tomorrow, Leah. And now for our last set of dreams for the day. What do we got? Kind of. Oh, I'm loving this game so much. I'm having a good time, really. Good day, Leah. It's nice to finally meet you in person. Gotham, please be careful when interacting with manifestations of instant matter. The risks are supposed to be low, but accidents can happen. You don't have to tell me. Well, it is certainly exciting to walk in the world you helped create. The sense of transmission of the cross gear is very accurate, but it still can't match the real thing. I suppose. Still, I'm worried about you. Are you sure you'll be alright? I'll just have to cope with it. It's all part of the agreement, no? Oh? I never expected things to go this way. To be asked to do such things. This is not game design anymore. This is not for the right experience. This is wrong. I'm sorry. I mustn't tell you anymore. Oh, shit. Something went down. Something went hella down. So did he get put extended time into the game? Good morning, Leah. Boyo. Anything new? Wait. Oh, so you remembered something. About a location? About a person? I see. How about you tell me by number this time? 1 Satoshi, 2 Shizuka, 3 Gotham, 4... anyone else? 3. Gotham? What do you remember about him? Oh, that's kind of hard. Anything hinting to where Satoshi could be located? What else could there be? Sorry. Anything particular about Gotham? Actually, there was something that struck me back when we saw him in Vermilion Wasteland. Gotham... he didn't look like he was an avatar. He was the spitting image of how I remember him from real life. Wait. Oh? What was what you saw? Was that what you saw? So Gotham, he is indeed not an avatar. Is he himself located right in the playground? Oh! This is insane. Why would he even be here? Uh-oh. Bonjour, Leah! Good morning. Polio! Oh, you're finally online! Charlie and I have been waiting for you. We should continue our dungeon race, no? Great! I've plenty of time today. Maybe we might even complete all the dungeons in Gaia's garden. Maybe. We'll see. So let's start a party and keep going. Well, no time to waste. Not much further until we finally reach Sapphire Ridge. Yeah! Ah, how the turns table. Yeah, so now we got a real person hanging out in our VR world. Interesting. Ah, little sandbag. You're too good for this world. Let's build up. Can I not? Okay, I think literally unless I'm in battle. Like, unless I'm in actual battle, I can't build up a higher meter. Which sucks, but I want to test that on a little Sandman dude. But that's okay. We've hit our fill. Oh? 50 Frobbit recipes. Forgotten lines of yore. The art of the laser lasagna. I'm sorry. The hedgehog sandwich. Myth or fiction? Is that like a Sonic reference and a Resident Evil reference, like 2-in-1 package? 2001 ways to seduce a Hal. The fuck is a Hal? Oh no, if I want to be part of this guild anymore, I'm a little worried. Story of the Ancients. The new meta. That all checks out there. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch games into what exactly? I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of late. It's like 12:13. Laserzania sounds like a panty and stocking villain. You know what? You're right, Jason. You are absolutely right. That'd be some season 2's panty and stocking villain of the week. The Laserzania. Lasagna. Fucking Laserzania. So, while I do this, let us hit up next is going to be, what is it, a surprise? What do I even want to do for up next? Come on, brain. Everybody do the hamster dance.